Rusty up. Kelly and Janessa are heading to the ground. Rusty's hanging. You can't see very well because he's green. There he goes. Looks like a fish. I've zoomed in as far as I can go. Oh gosh, here we go. Let's go say 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Oh shit. That scared the crap out of me. He's really flying. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can't lean back that far. Hello.
Oh, I got a good one.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, there he goes. They're going to try to hook him here in a second when he slows down.
I got better with him than I did them.
Yeah, it helps to have done it once.
Yeah.
What?
Can I see if Dad wants to do the ball thing with me?
No.
I don't, huh?
No.
Jennifer, you want to do the ball thing with me? This is a blast. It is awesome. I'm glad I didn't do it though.
Did you see what happened to your dad?
What?
When they dropped him?
We did the same thing.
Snapped like that?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, like you go straight down and then you like flip back up and then go back down again.
That's scary.
Like that's when you said put this on Facebook. I got a good picture. Honestly.
That's amazing you do it with your phone, Jennifer.
It's your phone.
Oh, you did it with my phone. Well, that's an amazing phone then. She's like caught.
Yeah, I got another one of just like this.
Thank you, Lord, for keeping me safe.
What? Dying.